Good morning, everyone. I am Jerry V. Rosarito Jr. and President of Rosarito Industries Corporation. Ang Rosarito Industries Corporation, nagsimula yan within the family. Our dad is our founder. Then kami itong dalawa ni Sir Kinger ang naging mga lead sa air conditioning and computer repair. Sa loob ng 5 years is lumaki si RIC na priority yung quality at yung customer service satisfaction.
I'm Engineer King Jervy Rosarito. I'm the Vice President and Head of IT and Electronic Department. Ang pinakamahirap talaga is yung paano ka mag-start tsaka paano mo siya ma-maintain ng matagal. Masaya ako na nakikita ko nag-grow yung company. Nung nag-start kami na gawin namin siyang corporation around 2019, corporation siya. Kasi nag-start kami niyan before is partnership yung dalawa lang. So, nakita namin yung growth. I'm grateful and I'm blessed. At we're blessed lahat kami dito na makikita namin yung company na lumalaki habang tumatagal. Every year.
I have witnessed kung paano sila nag-start, ano yung hirap na pinagdaanan nila. 2016, fast forward, I joined them. Alam ko ang papasukin ko. It's so hard na maki-join sa startup business. We always leave it to God. And ang Bible verse namin actually, Proverbs 16:3, commit your works to the Lord and all your plans will succeed.
Siyempre, ang vision naman namin is to continue what we're doing right now. And yung mga dreams namin sa company, siguro either natupad na or natutupad na, which is syempre mga branches, mas madaming staff, mas madaming empleyado, mas madami kaming matutulungan, syempre pag nag-grow pa si Rosarito.
Maraming salamat sa mga bumubuo ng kumpanyang ito. Kung wala kayo sa company na ito, wala rin ng RIC. Happy 5th year anniversary ng Rosarito Industries Corp.
We would like to thank all of my employees na hanggang ngayon ay talagang very loyal sa Rosarito Industries. At nagpapasalamat kami dahil yung effort ng bawat isa ay talagang lumalabas, hindi dahil sa galing lang ng administration or ng management, kundi galing ng bawat isa na tumulong para kung ano man ngayon si RIC is dahil sa inyo. Kaya maraming salamat at to God be the glory.